Okay, today I am going to show you how I make my homemade toothpaste. And usually I store it in each of these little containers and it lasts probably almost a week. And then I make a new batch every week. So anyway, I double the batch also. So I take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Okay, and since I'm doubling it, I usually do 2. Let me go ahead and get in there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do it for my other container. And this recipe I found from a doctor online, Dr. Berg, I believe his name is. I'll put the link in the description. He's got some really cool recipes for various things and great health tips and information. Okay, and then we do peroxide, and that's usually a quarter, so I'm doubling it. So this is going to be a 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, this is just my couple containers here. Okay, and then we do the, it's usually calls for a 1/2 teaspoon for 1 serving. Since I'm doubling it, I'm doing a whole teaspoon of baking soda. Okay. Again. And then I will pretty much just stir it up. Try to have it sort of form a little bit of a pastiness, if I can get it to that. See, this kind of forms a nice little texture. I'll save a little bit on toothpaste now, because I think you can get a tube now for, shoot, it's almost $5 at Walmart. Crazy, crazy. Stir these 2 up. Yeah, make a mess. See if I can get this blended a little better here. You can use a fork or a spoon. I'm making a mess here. Oh, okay. There we go. I think I got it better now. So, these are my 2 little containers of toothpaste for the week. And hopefully you'll find this video helpful as well. Thank you.